What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to work on a short tutorial on how to switch our profiles using our Stream Deck. Switching to our Stream Deck profile here, what we're going to look at is how to switch our profile between our YouTube profile, Twitch, Facebook, whatever profiles you have set up. Underneath your tab here, you'll see that I have my YouTube one set up. This is for my tutorial videos. I can click that. I can switch over to my Twitch, wave links, as well as my full screen alerts. I can also set up new profiles and edit current profiles. So what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead, click and drag that switch profile over. I'm going to put it down here in the bottom right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to select or type the title. I'm going to put Twitch. I'm going to click to what profile I want to set it to. It's going to be the Twitch profile, and whatever device I am setting it to is going to be the current device. At this point, what will happen is once I press that button, it's going to switch me over to my Twitch profile. Now I can also press that YouTube profile. It's going to take me right back over here. Thank you guys very much for a short and sweet tutorial on how to switch your profiles using your deck. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And remember, make sure to tick that bell, hit that subscribe button, and go ahead. Leave me a like if you guys like the content and helps my video get seen by everybody.